Hello and good day to viewers. This is Noreen Kamran and you're watching my YouTube channel Next Generation Nurses. I would like to welcome those nurses who are watching my YouTube channel for the first time because you are at right platform where you will get very informational videos and it will benefit the whole nursing community. As you have been preparing for your NCLEX or you have already been taken previously your NCLEX exam, you have probably heard about the Pearson Vue tricks, right? So although Pearson Vue delivers the findings to the State Board of Nursing, but everyone wants to know the result right away. So eventually the Board of Nursing is used to communicate the official outcomes to the candidate, and up to sometimes 6 weeks may pass. During this long waiting time, candidate just want to know that what are the tricks to know the result, whether they pass or whether they fail. So guys, we will be talking about today the ways to get your NCLEX result. Number one, how to get the results official from the nursing board and how to apply for the quick results from Pearson Vue, do the so-called Pearson Vue trick and so on. So please watch my video through to the end because might your queries will be resolved in this video. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's move to the topic. So guys, we will talk about official results through the Board of Nursing. So after passing the NCLEX, make sure that you frequently log into your Board of Nursing account because the states of your license will be displayed as soon as the Board of Nursing process the result. So this might take somewhere in 2 days, somewhere it will take about 6 weeks as well. Like I will give you an example. Florida Board of Nursing, within 48 hours, you apply for your quick results. It will also appear in your Board of Nursing website. So you have to log in frequently your account and check for the results whether it is available or no. Also, some boards have no online availability of the results, like NCLEX Board of Nursing have no such availability of the result on the website. So it is sometimes very painful to wait for a long time and wait for such emails, right? Then secondly, quick result from the Pearson Vue. So after you take the NCLEX exam, just sign into your Pearson Vue account, and here you can sign in multiple times in the account. Unlike in ATT, like if you will try for twice, so it will be blocked the account. Here it won't happen. Multiple time you can log into your account to purchase the option like quick results. So you can click that option for quick result, and about it will charge you $7.95 to be paid, but it will be only applicable after 48 hours of your exam. Okay, so you cannot apply before 48 hours your quick result. So this will indicate whether you pass or fail, and the outcomes are official, actually official and final. But then why the Pearson Vue is calling that it is unofficial and wait for the official result? Because the Pearson Vue is not the in charge to give you the permission to work as a RN or practice as a RN. So that's why they are putting unofficial results. It's actually official but should be announced from the Board of Nursing. Here you will quickly obtain to practice as a nurse. It means like if your quick results are ready, you can still apply for the vacancy. You will be quickly obtain your quickly result in roughly 48 hours, and I told you the charges already. So after you get your quick results, you can immediately apply for the job if ever available, and practice as a nurse as well, because some boards won't give you the license. So you can apply on the basis of the quick results, or once it will go to the Board of Nursing, you can always request your NCSB and report from the Board of Nursing. So you can here apply, obtain quickly results in 48 hours. And charges, I told you already, it will cost you around $7.95. Now the third one is your Pearson Vue tricks. So this is not a trick that would affect your actual result in the real life, but because it is the way your result before Pearson Vue makes your quick result available, it is termed as a trick. But you can only apply after the several hours following your exam. It will not cost you anything. Even the Board of Nursing website will not cost you anything. Only the quick results will cost you $7.95 only. But you have to apply this one after several hours following your exam. It will not cost you anything. Like Board of Nursing will not cost you anything if you will see on the website. And similarly, this one also will not cost you anything to see the Pearson Vue tricks, but only quick results will be chargeable. So before you begin following the instructions, and please read the instructions and guideline very much sure everything makes sense to you, following the instructions accordingly. And what are the instructions now I will be discussing with you. So during your following your instructions, you have to make sure that once you pass the NCLEX, wait until the Pearson Vue sends you an email which will subject like now that you have completed your exam, or now you have completed your NCLEX examination. This subject, it indicates that Pearson Vue has processed your test findings. Okay, and while you do not yet access to them, they are still available to Pearson Vue. This trick now indicates whether you passed or failed. So first of all, what you will do, you will log into your Pearson Vue account, go to start the registration process, think about what are you going to do in case you failed. So this will be the option that it might ask you. Then you should know what considerations you have to look into it, and then choose the option accordingly. So in case if you see the option like if I failed my NCLEX, I'm going to retake it. So it will be giving you two options and you have to select accordingly. So if you see the option, if I failed my NCLEX exam, I'm going to retake it. So you will see the two option of yes. Okay. One will I want to pay the exam fees later. Another one will be I am okay to pay fees now. So it means like two categories are there. You have to choose one. So if you have chosen the first category, I want to pay the exam fee later, then you have to enter your CVC number. CVC is, you know that at the back side of your credit or debit card, there will be one 3-digit CVC number. So you have to choose incorrect CVC number in case you have chosen I want to pay the fees later. So, okay. So you will find out if you passed or failed the NCLEX exam of your card. So here you will find out that you have passed or failed the NCLEX and your card will not be charged. But if you choose the other option, I am okay paying fees now, enter the correct CVC in that case, because you will find out pass or fail the NCLEX exam, but the card will be charged in case you are failed. Then another option comes under the category of no is no or not sure. So if you have chosen that option of no, then enter an incorrect CVC as you have entered in the first option of yes. Same, you will find out if either you pass or you fail, but your card will be not charged either way. So as soon as you have already chosen your option according to your feasibility, you will hit the submit button. So once you will hit the submit button, the pop-ups will come. So now I will be discuss some of the pop-ups, which is really belief of the some people that once they will get these kind of people, it will indicate that they pass, fail, or it's still they have to wait for the official or quick results. So one of the pop-up is our record indicates that you have recently scheduled this exam. Another registration cannot be made at this time. It means that this is a good pop-up. It means you passed. Then the other pop-up comes as like the candidate currently has test result that are on hold. A new registration cannot be created, or the candidate currently has an open registration for this exam. A new registration cannot be created at this time. It means this is unclear and try again later. So it means you cannot find here you pass or you fail. Still you have to wait for your quick result. Then other one will be the payment was declined, reason invalid security code, contact your credit card company or use different credit card. It means that this is the bad pop-up and almost you are failed. But I would like to say this is all about the experience of the people which I have researched, and this is the old experience which I have encountered from the people that the bad pop-up is about 85% accurate. Some people will still pass, wait for quick results. Still there is a hope. So the good result is very likely 100% accurate. So guys, celebrate that you are passed. So I hope today's video will be beneficial and fruitful for you, and whatever you people have doubts regarding the pop-ups and Pearson Vue tricks is now cleared in this video. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring more and more informational videos for the nurses. And for the time being, take care and bye-bye.